Hey everybody, Jeff here, and welcome back to the channel where we give you all sorts of high-class videos on remodeling your homes, your kitchens, your bathrooms. We cover tool reviews and shop with me, and I hope you folks are all staying safe in your quarantines there. I know we're all going nuts here. And anyway, I wanted to show you some probable bargains that we have here on Home Depot here. So this week they're running this thing here called the Pro Special Buy of the Week. And here you can see it's valid from April 6th until the 12th. So we really have only 3 more days, basically until Easter Sunday here. So let's take a look. But before we do, I just wanted to give you a couple of warnings. Usually when I see like these special buys and on pros and stuff like that, sometimes they're not really special buys, and it's not really just for pros. So it's I don't know why they have those. Sometimes the price isn't any different than you normally see it. I've seen it before where they had all of these signs out about Pro Special Buy of the Week in the store, but when you're looking at the items there, the price is no different than it was the day before they put the signs up. So they're just throwing up signs to make it look like there's something going on when there really isn't. But let's see if there is something going on here. Okay, so this first kit right here catches my attention right here. This one here is the Milwaukee M18. This is the 18-volt kit here. So this is a 6-tool kit. This kit comes with 2 batteries, which I guess they're showing 1 here and 1 there. So, and it has a charger and, of course, the tool bag here. So let's take a closer look at it. That's what you're getting here. You're getting, and this is a drill driver. So let me just warn you of a couple of things here. This is not a brushless tool kit. Okay, so if you're looking for brushless, you're going to be a little disappointed. If you're kind of a beginner starting out and just want to get a nice good collection of tools, this would be a decent kit to get, because you got a drill driver here, you got the oscillating tool here, you got the impact driver, a light, a sander, and the circular saw here. However, this is only the 6.5. It's not a 7 1/4 inch circular saw. So there's just a couple of caveats I wanted to point out to you here. Okay, so 6.5 inch circular saw. None of the tools are brushless, and this is a drill driver, not a hammer drill. So if you are going to find yourself drilling into concrete a lot, this is not going to be a drill that you want. You want to have a hammer drill. And I would always tell people too, even if you're just starting out, and even if this is a reach, you might want to reach a little bit further and try to get something that includes a hammer drill for you, because I can tell you right now, drilling through concrete will be a monumental task for you using a regular drill driver like this compared to using a hammer drill. Hammer drill will just make it go through it like butter. So this kit right here is 50% off here, and you can see they're selling it to you for $349. Okay, so now moving on back up to the list here, there's another kit here from Milwaukee. Now this is a 4-tool kit here. It's a 12-volt, and this one here comes with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger and a bag. Now this is of course a smaller kit here, but I like the fact that it has the jigsaw in it, because I don't often see the jigsaw in a lot of kits. But this one here is $179, so they're taking 49%, pretty much 50% off of the deal here, their total normal price for this. Okay, so now if we kind of bounce this off of Amazon, you can see on Amazon they're selling it in the $260 range here. So this gives you a comparison to what Home Depot is charging. Okay, so as we scroll down further here, here's an interesting one here. So here's that rover light here. Now this kit price right here is 48% off at $129 here. So what they're giving you is this is the M18 rover, so it's got 1500 lumens on it, and they're giving you a 5.0 amp hour battery here with it. Now normally if you look at just the price of the rover by itself, tool only. Alright, so here you can see just the tool only, the rover is about $119 right here. And I'm pretty sure I've seen it more on the shelf at our local store in the past. unless I'm thinking of the bigger one here. Maybe I'm thinking of the bigger one. But anyway, so here's what the Rover normally goes for by itself. Is a tool only is 119. So to get this 5.0 battery with the charger for an extra $10 is actually a pretty decent deal, I think. Okay, now as we scroll down a bit here and look, here's the Ridgid Octane. So you get these two. These are the two 9.0 amp hour batteries here, and these are with the Bluetooth as well. So they're charging here $199 right there, which they say is 50% off. And let's see how much one of these batteries normally is by itself. So as you can see over here, they normally charge $199 for an Octane here for a 9 amp hour battery. So to get two of these here for $199, that's actually a pretty decent price. But now also, if you look over here, you can see they're doing the same type of buy, the special buy here on the 6 amp hour versions of these. And remember, these are both Bluetooth enabled as well here. And so these are $169. So they've taken off 43% here. And so this one by itself, let's see how much they would ask here for the regular 6 amp battery all by itself here. So normally one 6 amp hour battery is going to cost you $149. But with this deal, I'm going to see if I change the amount here to 2. Yeah, it shows the special. When you see it, it shows it going to $169 for 2. What happens if you go to 4? Oh, they changed the deal to 2.0 amp hour. So apparently if you change, which is strange, if you change the number of batteries, they change the size of the battery on you, which is odd. But so there you have your two Ridgid deals there. All right, and looking down the list some more, I see here's a decent deal right here from Milwaukee. So here's the hole dozers. And by the way, we did a tool review video. I don't know if you folks saw this. So if you go to my channel and click on the videos tab there and look at the videos that we've uploaded in the last few weeks, you'll see over here about a week ago we uploaded one which says which hole saw is best. So in this video here we were comparing, here you can see we were comparing the Milwaukee hole dozer set here to the Bosch Daredevil and the Irwin Speedboard kits as well. So that'd be a good video to watch for you, a good tool review video to watch before you purchase one of these here. But getting back to that set here, this is a pretty decent price at $29.97. Keep in mind it's only a 7-piece set, but there's really only 5 bit sizes in here. So you really want to make sure that with these hole saws here that you're getting the size you think you're going to be using here. So basically 3/4 of an inch, 7/8 of an inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/8, and 1 1/4. If you need anything bigger, you probably want to go to hold out for the bigger set. I have the bigger set, the 13-piece. But anyway, you know, just to get your feet wet on this, this is a pretty decent price here. The 13-piece is normally somewhere in the $70 range. Although on Black Friday they had them on sale pretty decently. By the way, while I have you guys here, if you haven't noticed, we put up another couple of really good videos over the past week here. So we did this one here the other day, how to fix a sprinkler pipe that's gushing underground. So that's one that you'll want to check out if you ever have any kind of problems with your sprinkler system. So this is a very useful and an important video for those of us now wondering whether or not the wipes and sprays that we bought here are going to disinfect and kill the coronavirus here. So here in this video we're showing you how to look up the EPA registration on the back of all of your labels here to determine whether or not the disinfectant wipes or spray that you're holding in your hand will indeed kill the coronavirus. So man, if you haven't checked that out, you definitely want to check that video. And don't forget, you can share videos like these with your friends. All you got to do is go to the video right here, see where the share is right down below here. You click on that and you could post it right to Facebook. You know, what it does is it just brings it up right there and you can just hit boom, post to Facebook, and it goes right in there. Okay, now as we scroll down here, I'm seeing a couple of decent deal. Okay, as we scroll down, as we scroll down here, I'm seeing a couple of decent nailer deals. Now, let's check out this one here. Okay, so this kit here, this is the 21 degree framing nailer here. What they're doing here on this deal is they're throwing in this battery here. It's a 4 amp hour battery. So I always thought that this tool was a little bit pricey anyway at $3.99. But I guess the fact that they're throwing in the battery makes it a little bit sweeter. But you know what? If you were in the store in person and they had this there, you could probably use the Lowe's 10% off coupon like I've showed you, and Home Depot will honor it as a competitor coupon there, and so you could use it to get another 10% off. So let me show you the deal I got a couple of years ago when I bought my nailer. This is the kit I bought. Mine's a 30 degree framing nailer kit here, also with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger and a bag. So mine came with all of that stuff anyway at $3.99. This is considered an upgraded model anyways, but so they gave me more for $3.99, and on top of that, at the time that I bought this, I also used my Lowe's coupon here that I just told you about, and the little blue 10% off Lowe's movers card here is what they call it, because often when you buy a new house or you move somewhere and Lowe's finds out that you moved, they send you one of these in the mail, and so they call it the movers card. And so this is the only one that Home Depot will accept. And by the way, I also wanted to remind you folks that if you haven't checked out our other channel here, carbuyingtips.com, we've been starting to port over a lot of videos based on all of the guides that we've had on our site. But yeah, since 1999, our team of consumer advocates has been both protecting and educating all of you car buyers out there. And these are some of our better videos here. So if you come here to our homepage here on YouTube, you will see we have videos like this one here that deals with car scams and the dealer ripoff fees. And we also have a lot of different how-tos. And we're going to be uploading a whole series of more of these car care product reviews, but also how-tos that are in-depth, very well filmed and produced on cleaning your cars and waxing. And I don't mean just pulling out a bucket with the dish detergent. We're going to show you very specialized products that help you get the job done right. So anyway, make sure you come over and check out our Car Buying Tips channel too, and make sure you are subscribed as well. Okay, scrolling around here, this is an interesting tool here because it looks like a pretty cheap price. Now, I don't know how good this tool is here, but $29 for a 3/8 inch ear ratchet wrench looks pretty nice there. I just don't know anything about this tool really, but it's 20% off. It's, you know, you look at the pricing and is it all that great? Well, I don't know, but they're showing this as a special buy here, so 20% off and $29.55. So what's kind of ironic here is this whole special buy pro week thing here. This is all supposed to be like nailers and compressors, but so far I'm not seeing any stellar deals here that stick out at me. Alright, so for example here you got this DeWalt 27 gallon here. So I mean really it's only 10% off. I guess it's better than nothing, but what I wonder is, okay, let's say you wanted to buy this and this is 10% off at $536. Can you still use the Lowe's coupon here? And remember, these are only in store that you use these coupons. They're not usable in line, because in order for Home Depot to accept those Lowe's coupons, the cashier has to adjust it on the screen there at the computer. There's no way to enter any of these online or anything. These are done at the store level, and not every store would have something like this. Like, let's say they're showing it here. It's not in our store, so you would have to go and you'd have to just get it shipped. So anyway, your chances of getting a further discount with the Lowe's card on this is pretty nil. So anyway, I hope you're finding this video here useful today, and if you are, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel here, take a look at some of the stuff we do here in all different categories here. We cover everything here on this channel here, from home remodeling. You know, we cover kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, all sorts of how-tos and engineering disasters, and we have different categories like electrical here, closet organization, flooring and tiling, and all sorts of tool reviews and everything else. So, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hey, why not? Man, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button down below there, and then hit the gray bell icon next to it. That way you'll be alerted every time we upload a new video. And here's more samples of our videos for you to see here. So anyway, you folks, take care, stay safe, stay indoors, and we will see you on the next one.